Hello 11th standard business math students, welcome back to chapter 1 matrices and determinants. So far we have seen the examples and properties of matrices and determinants. Today we are going to start our exercise 1.1. First sum, find the minors and cofactors of all the elements of the following determinants. They have given one 2 cross 2 determinant and the second one is 3 cross 3 determinant. So already we have seen in examples, but today we will see it in the exercise. First one 2 cross 2 matrix. So we are going to first write the minor. So first one is going to be M11. M11 means it represents the first element 5. So cross out that corresponding column and corresponding row. Therefore M11 is going to be minus 1. Okay. Now coming to the second element 20, it is going to be M12. So this is M12. So cross out the corresponding column and corresponding row. You will get the answer as 0. Okay, it is 0. So again taking the second row, first element, it is 0. So cross out the column and row, and this is going to be M21. It is 20. Okay. Now coming to the last element in the second row, it is minus 1. Cross out the corresponding column and corresponding row. You get the answer as M22. It is 5. Now we have given the minus. Now we are going to go to the cofactors. Cofactors, it is A11. It is nothing but equal to plus. So in the 2 cross 2, your sign is plus minus. I'll write it here. Plus minus. Again here it is 2 1. So again you will get a minus and you will get a plus, isn't it? Because it is a signed minor, and your sign you get it as minus 1 power I plus j is your formula for sign. So it is nothing but this sign of minus 1 power I plus j into m. Okay, mij. So applying this formula here for the first element, it is plus, so your answer is going to be minus 1 as it is. And for the second one, A12 is minus M12. That is going to give you 0. Since it is 0, no change. Then coming to A21, it is plus, it is minus, isn't it? Minus M21, because this is odd, so you'll get a minus sign. And what is 21? It is 20, and you attach a minus sign, so it is minus 20. And similarly, A22, it is going to be again it is going to be M22. This is even power, so you'll get only a plus sign, so it is going to be 5. So this is the answer for the cofactors, and this is the for the minus. Now we are going to go to 3 cross 3 matrix. So first we will write the minus, then we will go to the cofactors. Okay. So again considering the first row, first element. So this is going to be a first element. So correspondingly you are going to cross out the corresponding column and corresponding row, and you will get for M11 as minus 1, 2, 5 and 2. When you evaluate this, you will get the answer as minus 2, minus 10. That is going to be as minus 12. Now coming to M12. So M12 refers to your second element and corresponding row and corresponding column. When you cancel it out, your determinant is going to be 4, 2, 3, 2, and your answer is 8 minus 6. That is going to be 2. Next one, M13. A corresponding element is going to be third element 2, corresponding column and corresponding row, you cancel it out, and your determinant is going to be 4 minus 1, 3 and 5. So answer is 20. Here 1 minus, in formula in 1 minus, so minus of minus 3, you will get it as plus 3. So when you add, it is 23. Now coming to M14. Sorry, it is not M14. Now first row is completed. We are going to come to the second row. So it is 2, 1. Okay. So what is 2, 1 means? It is the first element of the second row. So second row gets eliminated and the first column gets eliminated. So your remaining elements are minus 3, 2, 5, 2. So when you multiply, it is minus 6, minus 10. So your answer is going to be minus 16. Okay, next M22. M22 refers to the second element of the second row. So minus 1. So eliminate the corresponding column and corresponding row. You will get the answer as 1, 2, 3, 2. When you multiply, it is 2 minus 6. That is going to give you the answer as minus 4. M23. M23 refers to the last element of the second row. Last column and second row gets cancelled. So the remaining 1 minus 3, 3, 5. So when you multiply, it gives us 5 minus of minus 9. That is going to be plus 14. Now the second row is completed. Now we are going to come to the third row. Third row, first element. So corresponding column and corresponding row gets cancelled. And your minor is M31. The elements are minus 3, 2, minus 1, 2. When you multiply, it is minus 6, minus of minus 2. So minus 6 plus 2 is going to give you the answer as minus 4. M32 corresponds to the second element of the last row, 5. So cut out the column and the row. You will get the elements 1, 2, 4, 2. When you multiply, you will get 2 minus 8. That is going to be minus 6. Then the last element of the last row, it is going to be 2. So cancel the third column and the third row. You will get it as determinant as M33. Then the determinant it is 1 minus 3 and 4 minus 1. So when you multiply this, you will get it as minus 1 minus of minus 12. That is going to be minus 1 plus 12. So your answer is going to be 11. So we have got the minus. Now we are going to write the corresponding cofactors for these minus. Okay. So it is nothing but the sign. So again I am going to mention the sign here. For 3 cross 3 it is plus, minus, plus, again minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus. How do you get this sign? It is minus 1 power I plus j. So when you calculate, this is 1 1, 1 2, 1 3, 2 1, 2 2, 2 3. And this is 3 1, 3 2, 3 3. So for the odd numbers, after plus summing it, you get a minus sign. For even numbers, you get it as plus. So in this format, you are going to write the cofactors. So first one is A11 is nothing but plus M11. So as it is minus 12. Next, A12 is going to be minus M12. So already you have got 2. So when you attach this minus sign, it becomes minus 2. Next, A13 is going to be plus M13. For M13, it is 23 and it is plus, so it's again 23. Now coming to A21. A21 is going to be minus of M21, whereas M21 answer is minus 16, and you have got a minus here. So minus of minus 16 will give you plus 16. Next, A22. For A22, your sign is plus M22, and M22 value is minus 4, and here it is plus, so you will get the answer as minus 4. Next, you go to A23. A23 is minus of M23, and M23 answer is plus 14, and here you got a minus, so minus 14. Then coming to the last row, A31 equal to, here it is plus M31. M31 value is minus 4, so it is automatically the same. Now A32 is going to be minus M32. M32 answer is minus of minus 6, so your answer is going to be plus 6, isn't it? 2 minus 8 minus 6, okay. Is it correct? M32, we'll check it once again. Yeah, it is correct. 1 into 2, 4 into 2, okay. 8 minus 2, it is minus 6, so it is going to be plus 6. Next, A33 is again plus M33, and for M33 it is answer 11, so it is 11. No change in that, okay. Okay, it's correct. Now these are the minors and the cofactors, okay. Thank you.